Here's how to redeem an Amazon gift card. So you want to go to the Amazon gift card balance page. I'll leave a link for that in the description down below, as well as a link to get 6 months of Amazon Prime for free if you want to check that out. Now, click on your account info if you don't want to click that link, and you'll get to this page. You should see a gift cards button right here. If you don't, then you can scroll down to the bottom. It should be in these links here. But once you see that gift cards button, you can click on that, and then you're going to end up on your gift card balance page. And you'll see this little button below your balance that says redeem a gift card. So we can click on that. And this is where you're going to enter in that claim code. It says how to find claim code. It'll give you a little bit of instructions here. If you scroll down, you'll see this little picture of where to find the claim code. It's going to be on the card, or if you got a digital card, it'll be in your email or somewhere. You'll find that claim code, which is 14 or 15 characters long, and put it in here. It does not require the dashes. So you can just put the code in and click apply to your balance, and you'll see this number right here. Your gift card balance will go up by the amount that's on that card. And that's it. That's pretty much how you can redeem an Amazon gift card.